Want to learn how to make a top that is quick and easy and perfect for the summer? Let me teach you how to make this tube top. Hi, welcome to the Creative Nest. I'm Catherine. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you like what you see and you subscribe for more. In today's video, I will share with you how to draft the perfect, easiest tube top. If that is something that you are interested in, keep on watching. For this tutorial, you will need your drafting paper, your measuring tape, a ruler, a marker, and your scissors. Before we begin drafting, we have to take a few measurements. So the first measurement that we need will be our upper chest measurement. And to get that measurement, you just put your measuring tape over your upper bust. And make sure that it's straight in the back, please. The next measurement that you're going to take, it will be the length of your tube top. Whether the tube top is regular or asymmetrical, I will share two of those measurements with you. So from where our chest is, we're going to take the length of our tube top. For the asymmetrical, about 18 inches. First thing you are going to do, as always, is create your starting line. First measurement that we are going to take will be our upper chest. For me, that is going to be 38 because we're going to take half of it. So for me, that's 19. Right here. This is my chest. My chest is 38 divided by 2, which is 19. The next measurement that we're going to take will be our chest to where we want the tube top to stop. And for me, that's going to be 12 inches. Create a straight line. Okay, so my waist is 34 divided by 2. So this is the waist. 34 divided by 2 is 16.5. And it all depends on how stretchy your fabric is. If say your fabric is very stretchy, then you will minus 1 inch from here. I'm going to connect the two lines. This is just for a regular tube top. So tube top, and you're going to cut 2. One for the front and one for the back. I'm going to show you how to take this tube top and create an asymmetrical tube top. You are going to extend your line. So for my tube top, the asymmetrical, I want it to be 18 inches. It might be longer, it might be shorter. It depends on how tall you are. What I did from the chest line, I just came down to 18 inches. That is the length of my asymmetrical tube top will end. I'm going to connect that back into my waist. That is it. So for the regular tube top, you would stop here, and for the asymmetrical, you will stop here. You see how easy that was? So now you are ready to create your tube top, your perfect tube top for the summer. The thing left for us to do is cut her out. So let's do that now. And you are done. You can make endless tops for the summer. In the next video, I will share with you how to take the pattern that we just created today and make your very own tube top. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.